Hello students, lesson number 13. Under this we seen the profit loss activity, how to find out the profit, how to find out the loss, how to find out the total profit, total cost price, total selling price. Then afterwards we solve the example based on it. Some exercise also solve, and profit percent and loss percent also I taught you how to find the profit percent and how to find the loss percent. Both the methods I taught you, which is given in our textbook. Otherwise you can use the formula, that is profit percent is equals to profit upon CP into 100, and loss percent is equals to loss upon CP into 100. Then today we are going to solve. I actually sent this video on your mobile. It was ready-made video of other teachers. Then also we are taking the practice set number 33, example number first. So here Magan Lal brought, what they told you, Magan Lal brought trousers for rupees 400. How much rupees? 400. And shirt for rupees how much? 200 rupees. How much rupees? 400 rupees trouser and shirt for the 200 rupees. And sold them for 448 and 250 respectively. Means trouser he sold for 448 and shirt he sold for 250. Means on trouser he take out the 48 rupees profit and on shirt he take out the 50 rupees profit. So which transaction was more profitable? So here Magan Lal's example we will solve. The CP of the trouser is how much? 400 rupees. CP is equal to, means cost price of trouser is equals to 400 and selling price of trouser is 448. Okay, and that of the shirt cost price is 200 and selling price is 250 rupees. So let's solve the example. Here we will solve this example in two parts. I am writing here in short, the cost price means CP, cost price of so here the cost price of trouser, here we will solve, I will solve right here in short, because cost price of trouser is equals to how much rupees? 400 rupees. And the selling price means, I will write here S for selling and P for price. Selling price of trouser is equals to 448. It is given in the book. So here it is profit. So profit is equals to how much we have to find out. So profit is equal to 448 minus 400 equals to 48 rupees is profit. And I told you how to find out this profit percent, that is, let the profit percent be how much? X. So here X upon 100 equals to, X upon 100 is equals to 48 upon what is its actual CP? That is 400. Okay, so CP is 400. For 100 X rupees and for 400 how much? 48. So we have to solve the example. So X is equals to 48 upon 400 into 100. So 100 1s are 100, 100 4s are 400, 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So X is equals to how much? 12%. So profit of trouser is how much? 12%. Let's find the profit of which? That is the shirt. So the CP of shirt is equals to how much rupees? 200 rupees. CP of shirt is equals to 200 rupees and selling price of shirt is equals to 250 rupees. Now we have to find out, here CP is smaller than SP, therefore there is a profit. So profit is equals to 250 minus 200 equals to 50 rupees. Now the profit, let the profit of shirt, profit percent, let the profit percent of shirt be how much? Y. So here for Y percent means Y upon 100 equals to, what is it, sir? Shirt's profit is equals to 50, and 50 rupees profit they got for how much rupees? 200. So in this way Y is equal to 50 upon 200 into 100. So 100 ones are 100, 100 twos are 200, and 50 upon 2 means how much? Y is equal to 25%. So from this what we are understanding? That the transaction of the shirt transaction, here you have to write the statement, here space is not there, just note down here, the shirts transaction was more profitable because how much percent they got? 25% profit they got, and how much is the profit for the trouser? 12%. So shirts profit is shirt transaction is more profitable than the trousers profit percent. Okay, in this way we have to solve the example. So note down this example, all of you. Okay, now we will move towards the next example. Now the question number second is, so the second question, Ramrao bought a cupboard. Bought a cupboard for rupees how much? 4,500 and sold it for 4,950. Shamrao brought a sewing machine for 3,500 and sold it for the 3,920. So whose transaction is more profitable, that we have to find out in this example. So first of all, let's understand the CP of cupboard. CP of cupboard is equals to how much? That is 4,500, and SP of cupboard is equals to how much? That is 4,950, and that of the CP of sewing machine is 3,500 and SP of sewing machine is 3,920. Okay, so let us find out the profit or profit percent whose transaction is more profitable. Okay, so here solve the example. Here Ramrao and the Shamraos both are there. So Ramrao, and here it is Shamrao. So first of all we will find out the profit percent of both Ramrao and the Shamrao. So let's divide this part into two. So here the CP of cupboard is equals to how much? 4,500 rupees. 4,000 rupees, 4,500. Now SP of means selling price of cupboard equals to rupees how much? 4,950. So there is a profit. So profit is equals to, profit in cupboards transaction is equals to 4,950 minus 4,500. So here if you subtract this, you will get that 450 rupees he got the profit. How much? That is 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 0, 5, 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. So now let the profit percent be, X. So here same, X upon 100 equals to how much is the profit? 450 rupees. And what is the CP? CP is equal to how much? 4500. Okay, now 0 get cancels with 45, 450 ones are 450 and here remains 10. So x is equals to this 100, it will goes for the multiplication. So 1 upon 10 into 100. So 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100. So x is equals to how much? 10. X is equals to how much? 10. So 10% profit they got in the transaction of the cupboard. So the Shamrao got 10%, Ramrao got the 10% profit. Let's find the profit percent of the Shamrao sieving machine. So CP of sieving machine, cost price of sieving machine is equals to how much? 4 rupees is equals to rupees 4,900 3,500 rupees, 3,500. And SP of sieving machine is equals to 3,920. So here also profit is there. So let's find the profit. So profit is equal to 3,920 minus means CP minus SP minus CP. So 920 minus 3,500. So let's solve the example. 0 to 9 minus 5 is equal to 420 rupees is the profit. So let the profit percent be y. So y upon 100 equals to how much profit is there? 420 rupees. How much? 420 rupees. And for what CP? CP is the 3,500. So let's solve the example. Y is equals to 420 upon 3,500 into 100. So 0 0 cancel. These zeros are get cancels. I will show with different color here. So this 0 get cancels with these zeros. So here 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42, and here it is 0. How much? 420 upon how much? 3,500 into 100. So here when you solve the example, you will get it here. How much profit is there? 7 5 are 35 and 7 6 are 42. Profit. So 0 0. So here in this transaction, the profit percent is more, that is the Shamrao's profit is more, transaction is more profitable than the Ramrao's profit. Okay. So here in this way we have to solve the example. Understood all of you? So next example, note down this example. Next, here you have to write the statement that is Shamrao transaction is more profitable than the Ramrao's profit. Okay. Let's move the next part of the example. So the last example remain, that is the Hanif's example is there, and that example we will take in our next lecture. Okay. So and then we will see the profit and loss percent examples which was given in the book, and then we will take the solve the practice set number 34, and this lesson will finish there. Okay. So today we are going to stop here only. The next part of the lesson we will see in our next lecture. So okay, thank you and have a good day. So complete these examples, 2 examples, and then next forwards you just solve, try all the exercise complete and send me on my personal number. Okay, thank you and have a good day.